Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to show your Google account password. So first go to Google and then you will see here your account icon. So just click that and then scroll down until you see and then click your account and then go to the account you are using or the account you want to show password, and then wait for that to load. Go to security and then scroll down and you will see password. And then here click forgot password. And then just verify that you are the user of this account through the methods that is available here. And then after that, you will be directed to a new page where you are asked to continue. So just click continue again. And then here you will be asked to input a new password. So just input the new password you'd like to use. Here I'm just making a new password and then you just click that icon to show it. And that's it. That's how you show your Google account password. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.